Hi, Jacques! Be careful, Nicholas! Hi! Have you decided to visit Mrs. Duck? Good fellows! Nobody's here. Maybe Mrs. Duck is in the backyard. Good afternoon, Mrs. Duck. Jacques and Nicholas came to visit you. Let's help Mrs. Duck with the garden, guys. Excellent. We need to gather the carrots, to trim the bush nicely, and to water the roses. You have an idea? Jacques, you're a real cottager. Let's head off to the garage. What are you up to, guys? Guys, are you sure that the tractor will cope with all of Mrs. Duck's tasks? Jacques, did you know that it's a crocodile ladle? Almost your relative. Wow, we have a real tractor hairdresser here. Has someone ordered a shower? Much better, and now I suggest we paint our Wonder Tractor a bright color. All the cottagers will be jealous. Are you surprised, Mrs. Duck? Guys, let's show Mrs. Duck what our Wonder Tractor can do. You're so good at it, Jacques. But you can't get anywhere without manual labor. You're an artist, Jacques. I hope that Mrs. Duck kept a piece of her special cake for you. These roses definitely need watering. Jacques, try again. Be careful, Nicholas! Maybe it's not that bad. Poor Nicholas. We've done this all for nothing. Jacques, please do something! Mrs. Duck is in danger! Whew! The danger is behind. It's not your day today, Jacques. Mrs. Duck, you're not very mad at the guys, are you? You're so kind, but I would have treated these guys with boiled cauliflower for such help. See you soon!